Third term, Unit 6 Fractions, Part 3. In this session, we are going to learn about exercise 6.2 and also equivalent fraction. So let us see the equivalent fraction first. Look at this picture. I have taken one rectangle and this rectangle was splitted into 5 rectangles, right? And 2 rectangles are shaded, isn't it? So I will write the fraction of total number of parts is 5 and shaded parts are 2, isn't it? So this is the fraction for this rectangle. Clear, ma? Okay. So now I am going to multiply with 3. Okay. Up and down. If I multiply with 3 up and down, I will get 6 by 15. Isn't it? Is it right or not? Yes, it's right only. So 6 by 15. 2 by 5 is converted into 6 by 15 because of I multiplied 3 with numerator and denominator. So let us see the picture now. Look at this. Here the total number of parts are 15 and 6 parts are shaded. Is it clear? The same rectangle. Look at here. The same rectangle. But here 5 parts are here and then here it was splitted into 15 parts. Isn't it? Look at the portion. Here 2 portion only shaded and here also 6 portions are shaded. But if I compare these two rectangles, both are equal. Am I right? Yes. So let us write one more. So I have taken 2 by 5. Now I am going to multiply with, yes, 2 by 5 into 2. I am going to multiply with 2 more. So 2 to the 4 and in denominator 10. 4 by 10. This will be the one more equivalent fraction. So the equivalent fraction of 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5, then 4 by 10 and 6 by 15 and so on. Like this, if you multiply with the same number with the numerator and denominator, you will get one more equivalent fraction. Is it clear now? Yes. This was given in your bookmark. Just to have a glance. When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number. Okay. We should not multiply with 0 mark. We should multiply with any non-zero number. That is 1, 2, 3 like that. Clear? Okay. We get a fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. Now, look at this. 2 by 5 is equivalent to 4 by 10. So, 2 by 5 is equivalent to 6 by 15. Like that it's going on. So, now you understood, I think. Let us see the exercise 6.2. So, in this exercise 6.2, we are going to obtain the equivalent fraction. So, at the end of the session, all will be able to find the equivalent fraction of given any fraction. Okay. So, write the suitable number in the box. First sum, 1 by 2 is equal to empty box divided by 8. Okay. So, I have selected 1 by 2 and what is the hint here? This empty box by 8 is the hint for it. So, I will select that also. Right? Like this. Fine. So, where is the connectivity? Here 1 by 2 and here empty by 8, isn't it? But if I multiply this 2 with 4, I will get 8. Am I right? Yes. 2 4s are 8. So, I am going to multiply with 4 here. So, 1 by 2 into 4. Right? Okay. So, if I multiply 4 with the denominator, sure I have to multiply with the numerator also. That is the procedure. So, multiply in the numerator also. Now, I will get the answer. 1 4s are. So, 4 is the answer. Put in the empty box. Right? So, this is the procedure to find the equivalent fraction. So, hereafter, You will do once you see the video, and then you try by yourself for any fraction. Clear, ma'am? Fine. So now I have selected the second question. So 1 by 3 and 7 by box. Here, look at the hint. Here 1 and 7 only connected, isn't it? 3 and empty box. So I don't know this answer. So I just connect with these two. 1 and 7 means 1 7s are only 7. So I am going to multiply here with 7 with the numerator and denominator. So select that 1 by 3 once again. Multiply with 7, and here also multiply with 7. So at the top our answer 7 is right, but here 3 7s are 21 is the answer. Fine. Hope you understand now. So let us come to the third question. So 9 by 11, isn't it? Okay. Here 18 by empty box. So here we don't have any connection, but I can connect this 9 and 18 with the help of 2. Am I right or not? Yes. So 9 2s are only 18. So here I am going to multiply with the 2 up and down like this. So 9 by 11 into 2, here also into 2. Then both will be balanced. So 11 into 2, 11 2s are 22. So 18 by 22 is the equivalent fraction for 9 by 11. You understand now? Okay, let us move to the fourth sum. Fine. Let us select the question. Then it will be easy to find out the answer. See, listen carefully, ma. Here there is no connection, isn't it? But 15 and 3, I can connect here. But listen carefully. This side only we have the lesser number, and this side greater number. If I multiply 15 with any number, it should be wrong, because here I have very lesser number, 3, isn't it? So I have to reduce. I should not multiply. Clear? So I am going to divide here. See here, 5 by 15 divided by 5. Hope you understand now. 15 divided by 5, I will get 3. Is it clear now? If I divided this 15 with 5 times table, 5 1 times 5, 5 2 times 10, 5 3 times only 15. So, if I divided 15 by 5, I will get 3. You understand? So, here also I am going to divide it by 5 only. So, whatever you do in the denominator or numerator, you have to do the same to the next side also. Right? So now it's easy, isn't it? So 5 divided by 5, answer will be 1. See here, 5 by 15 and 1 by 3 are the equivalent fraction. Let us move to the next. Here also, so 14 and this side is not connectivity. So 26 and 13. Yes, this is the hint for us. But this side only I have greater number. So sure I have to do the division. So how can I divide? If I divided by 2, I will get this 13. Just you check by yourself also, no issue. So 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. So at the top also, you have to divide it by 2 only. So 14 divided by 2, I will get 7. So 7 by 13 and 14 by 26 are the equivalent fraction. Clear? Okay. Let us see this. That is sixth sum. Here no connectivity, only 8 is there. But here 4 and 16 will be connected, isn't it? But this side lesser number, this side greater number. So sure I have to multiply here. You want to get a greater number, you have to multiply. Right? So if I multiply with 4, I will get the 16. 4 4s are 16, isn't it? So as you know well about the table, so no need to explain to you. So let us start to find the answer here. 4 4s are 16, and here at the top we have to multiply here, but there is no number, isn't it? This side only I have the 8. So if I multiply 4 with 2 only, I will get 8, right? So 2 should be come here, and in this empty box also I have to mention 2. After filling, I will explain to you. See here, 2 4s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. Now 2 by 4 and 8 by 16 are the equivalent fraction, right? Seventh sum, as usual. So 1 by box is equal to 7 by 28. Yes, I have the connectivity at the top itself, that is in the numerator. So 1 7s are only 7. So it's easy to multiply with 7. Right. So down also we have to multiply with 7, isn't it? But what number should become? So this side only I have the hint. So 28. 7 what's are 28 mark? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, and 7 fours are 28. So if I multiply with 4, I will get this side 28. So in that question, that is this side, I have to fill with 4. Like this we have to do. So last sum 8. Write down the question. Here these two are not connected. I can connect this 5 with 25, isn't it? So 5 times 25. So I am going to multiply. It will be very easy. And that numerator also I have to multiply with 5. But here 5 5s are 25. Yes, correct answer. But if I multiply 5 with 3 only, I will get this 15. Is it right? Yes. So I'm going to multiply here with the 3 and take it down the 3 here also. Fine. So 3 by 5 and 15 by 25. So this 15 by 25 is the equivalent fraction for this 3 by 5. So is it easy? I think I should not ask. Sure, it's easy for you. Just get practice. Okay. Second sum. Find an equivalent fraction with denominator 18 for each of the following fractions. See, listen carefully. Find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 18. So here the hint is denominator 18. So last time we have entered that they have given the empty boxes, isn't it? But here denominator 18 is the clue for us. So let us select the first sum 1 by 2 and the denominator 18 is the clue for us. So fill like this. So 1 by 2 is equal to empty box by 18. Then as usual let us move. So 1 by 2. Here 2 and 18 are the connecting T. Okay. So if I multiply with 9, 2 9s are 18, isn't it? So if I multiply with 9, I will get this answer. So on the numerator also I am going to multiply with 9. So 1 by 9, sorry, 1 9s are 9. So 9 by 18 is the equivalent fraction for this 1 by 2. Is it easy? Yes, sure it's easy only. Get the practice. Come to the second sum. 2 by 3. Yes. So denominator should be 18. Now select the 2 by 3 and at what number I have to multiply here? 3 watts or 18 mark? What number should be multiplied here? 3 6 are. Yes. So multiply with 6 up and down. I'll get this 18 and at the top 12. Right? Okay. Let us move to the next one. 4 by 6. Just enter the 18. Now I'm going to connect with this 6 watts or 18. See here, 3 6 are only 18. Here they have given 6, isn't it? So it's easy. If I multiply with the 3, I'll get the same 18 only. Right? 6 threes are also 18. So at the top also I am going to multiply with 3. At the top means 4 threes are 12. Right? So 12 by 18 is the equivalent fraction for this 4 by 6. Now we are going to see the fourth sum, 2 by 9. Get the hint of denominator 18. Just check it. Yes. So what number should be multiplied with 9 to get 18? Yes, you are right. Into 2. So at the top also I am going to multiply with 2. So 2 to the 4. Right? Fine. So come to the fifth sum. That is also the very easiest sum, because just now only we have found out. See, once again 9 only. So in the fourth sum also we have done with 9 only as a denominator. Here also. So let us multiply with once again with 2 only. At the top, 7 to the 14. 14 by 18 is the equivalent fraction for this fifth sum. That is 7 by 9. Let us move to the sixth sum of 5 by 3. 5. So this also we have already done in the second sum itself. So here I am going to multiply with 3 6 are, isn't it? So at the top also multiply with 6. So 5 6 are 30. 30 by 18 is the correct answer. Third one, find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. So here also they have given the denominator 5, but listen carefully. For the given fraction, this denominator is a lesser number, right? See here 6 by 15, isn't it? So in that 6 by 15, 15 is the greater number, and denominator, our hint denominator 5 is the lesser number. So here we are going to do the division, right? Okay, enter like this first, and then 6 by 15. So as I have already told you that 15 is the greater number, so if I divide it by 3, I will get this 5, because 5 3s are only 15, right? Yes, it's easy now. So at the top also we are going to divide it by 3 only. So 6 divided by 3 means 2 will be the answer, because 2 3s are 6, right? So just opposite to that. So 2 by 5 is the equivalent fraction. Now come to the second sum, 10 by 25. Mention the denominator 5 mark. Here also take it out the same 10 by 25, and 25 must be divided by 5 to get 5 only, because 5 5s are 25, right? Okay. The numerator also I am going to divide the 10 with 5. So if I divide by 5, I will get a 2 as the answer, because 2 5s are 10. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 means 2 5s are 10 is the answer. That is the reverse process. So 2 by 5 is the correct answer, and this is the equivalent fraction. Now come to the third one, 12 by 30. Right. So listen carefully. 30 and 5 are the connective word number. So here I am going to divide it by 6. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5 at the top also. So here 6 2s are 12 mark. So if I divide it by 6 means I will get the answer of 2. Okay. In the first three sums, the answers are same, isn't it? So 2 by 5. Second sum answer also 2 by 5. Third sum answer also 2 by 5. Now focus on fourth sum, 6 by 10. So once again, this is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller number. I am going to divide it here. 6 by 10 divided by 2. At the top also divided by 2. That means, yes, it's easy. 3 is the answer, isn't it? So 3 by 5 is the answer for the fourth sum. Now come to the fifth one, 21 by 35. Select this denominator 5. Okay. Here in 5 times table, 5, what numbers are 35? What number should be divided here? 7. Yes. So 35 divided by 7, I'll get this 5. So at the top also we have to divide it by 7 only. So in 7 times table, how many times will be 21? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are only 21. So 3 is the answer here. See the same thing. 4 and 5th sums get the same answer, 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. Okay. So just to get practice and hope you all do best. Thank you.